Today more than ever, local businesses are having to redefine their marketing efforts and create strategies that target regional audiences. Whether local businesses offer products or services, these businesses need a marketing strategy. Depending on the business you choose, you can promote Builderall as an affiliate and offer the most complete and powerful all-in-one digital marketing platform as the solution. Or you can use this powerful platform to start your own agency to offer services as a solution for any business. That's right, as an owner of a digital or creative agency, you create customized packages and pricing for your services that offer the right strategy to drive traffic and conversions. These can include building websites, funnels, blogs, landing pages, email marketing, and so much more. Builderall makes it easy to build your business with over 40 plus digital marketing tools like Superfast Cheetah Drag and Drop Builder, email automation, exclusive Cheetah Funnel Builder, Webinar Builder, Super Checkout, website and professional messenger bots, and so much more. Let's take a struggling beauty salon who is experiencing loss due to appointment cancellations. Included in just one of our 40 plus digital marketing tools is the Builderall booking tool that allows businesses the ability to create calendars that offer online appointment scheduling, cancellations, and reschedules. With Google Calendar integration, hair salons get more control over their business sales and profitability. The Builderall Booking Builder can help other businesses organize their consultation services, events, and classroom-style sessions like gym classes, group activities, training sessions, and so much more. Digital marketing for local businesses can benefit from all of these tools, and when it comes to their number one concern like driving traffic, you also have the Builderall funnel